Hi, I'm Katie Cooks and welcome back to my cooking channel. Today we're cooking Mongolian chicken, which can be ready in just about 30 minutes and it's absolutely delicious, soon to be a firm favourite in your house. We're going to start by chopping the chicken breasts just like they do in the takeaways. So if you pop your chicken breasts into the freezer for about an hour, they'll firm up and you're able to slice them really thinly. Next up, we're going to get 2 tablespoons of cornflour and then mix in a little bit of white pepper. No need for salt at this point as the sauce is quite salty on its own. So pop your sliced chicken breast into your cornflour mixture and give it all a stir until it's coated nicely. And if you can leave that for about 20 minutes, that's going to make sure the chicken is really lovely and tenderised. While we wait for the chicken to get nice and tender, we can chop up our vegetables. So we're going to cut the spring onions just like this. We're also going to chop some garlic, and I like to add some broccoli into my Mongolian chicken. It's not traditional, but I think it just adds a little bit of extra nutrients and substance. So just get it all roughly chopped like this. You just want little bitefuls. Next up, we'll make our really easy sauce. I like to use 2.5 tablespoons of dark soy, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon of dried chili flakes, 1.5 teaspoons of brown sugar, a splash of water, give it a mix and set it to one side. Now have a wok or frying pan onto high and then add your chicken, add a little bit of oil and then your chicken. You want it to be in one layer so that it cooks evenly, and when it goes golden and just cooked through, remove it from the pan. Using the same pan but on a slightly lower heat, add in your chopped garlic and your ginger puree, give it a mix round, keep it moving and don't let it burn. Pour your sauce in. It's really thin at the moment, but we're about to add in some corn flour, again on a low heat, and this will thicken up almost instantly. So if you continue to cook it on a low heat and keep stirring it around, you'll end up with this lovely silky consistency, which is going to be perfect to coat our vegetables and chicken. So when you're happy with it, if it goes a bit thick, add a bit of water, that will loosen it up. But when you're happy, go in with your chopped spring onion, your chopped broccoli if you're using it, and of course your lovely golden cooked chicken. Put that in, give it a stir round on a low heat to get everything covered. And then pretty soon you'll have this wonderful takeaway dish that you've made at home in around about 20 minutes, and it's absolutely delicious. Subscribe for more easy recipes.